Keith's just went bonus. Well done, pal. Happy days. Hello, Martin Taylor. Good evening, pal.
We're now on the LENOVO robotic vacuum cleaner.
Nice.
I actually went and bought myself a robotic vacuum
Did
cleaner.
you?
Yeah, I did. So
you're cleaning the dog poo that's made all over the house. If
well, I'm hoping that doesn't happen.
well, same, but
it's
inevitable.
Now, though, they'll know that is a big lump of turd, so they'll just go around.
What do they do? Like to have like little Inspector Gadget legs that like zzz, and like goes over the poop.
No, it'd be like those robotic things when we were at the restaurant.
Oh yeah, they were mad. Them in Bella Italia.
Although one did nearly run into me and it got the fright of my life. Right, here we go. LENOVO
The robots are taking over.
T1-S Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Alexa and Google Assistant, and the winner is 395.
395. Well done. Congratulations. Elaine says, hi guys, fingers crossed for my first win. Good luck, Elaine. There's still quite a lot of prizes left to get through.
395. We have Mark Reeve.
Mark Reeve, well done. Fantastic.